Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
On a day of the year 147 after Hijrah, an honored lady arrived in Medina with a caravan of slaves and maids from the west. Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam assigned one of his trusted companions, Hisham, to set free and transfer that respected lady. Upon completing the task, Hisham went to the house of Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam with the lady. Lady Hamida, the mother of Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam, embraced that lady as if she had known her for many years and was waiting for her, and now the long separation had ended in reunion. The newly arrived guest was asked about her name and address. She replied, "My name is Tuktem, and I am from Murcia." Days went by, and Lady Tuktem had found the highest pleasure in worshipping God and being alone with Him. In terms of tact and religious status, she had a special position and was considered among the virtuous women of her time. Lady Hamida was so impressed by the politeness, morals, humility and worshipping of Lady Tuktem that she advised her son Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam, "I am sure that she is able in her capacity as your wife to have the honor of giving birth to a pure and divine son who will be the proof of Allah after you on earth." That same year, Lady Tuktem, who was also named Najma, married Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam and became the Imam's partner and the respected lady of his household. The promise by Allah materialized on 11 Dhul-Qa'dah of the year 148 after Hijrah. The bell of a blissful birth rang, and a boy from the lineage of the pious and the righteous was born. After his birth, Imam Raza alayhi salam was covered in a white cloth and was presented to Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam, who took a look from the depth of his soul at the beautiful, shining and innocent face of the newborn and said, "Good for you, O Najma, for this honor bestowed upon you by Allah." Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam then embraced the child, pressed him to his chest, set the adhan in his right ear and iqama in the left. Then he asked for water from the river Euphrates and fed him. He returned the child to his mother and said, "Take him, Najma, and take good care of him. Surely he will be the remnant of Allah on earth." After going through lots of difficulties in her life, Lady Najma had now become the bride of Ahlulbayt, the wife of a divine Imam and mother of Wali of Allah. Lady Najma has many names and titles in history books as the mother of Imam Raza alayhi salam and Lady Ma'sooma. They include Tuktem, Samana, Najma, Khayzaran, Al-Mursiyya and Al-Tahira.